Hello everyone, it's Mono here, and I have some fantastic updates today. We have our tote bag here, and we have some new features that are added into the tote bag based on all the things that you mentioned and you asked for in the survey. All right, so let's start from the exterior and then let's go inside the bag and have some good surprise there as well. Okay, so what has changed from the outside is we have some outside hooks, and that only means that we need to have long handles, right? Or shoulder strap, crossbody shoulder strap. So we have the crossbody shoulder strap right here, and there is a buckle, so it's adjustable, as well as there is a nice shoulder pad. And what I like really about this is that it's really nice and comfortable, very thick, but the edges are rounded so it doesn't dig in, and it's not too thick so it doesn't like become too big and stick in the neck, for example. It's really nice, slim, and super comfortable. And on both sides there are these clips that you can just attach it. So we just have a pretty simple over here. We have the hook, we just push it in, clip it on, and then exactly the same on the other side as well. You have the clip and you have the D-ring, and you basically attach that to the D-ring. Yeah. So that's the first part. The second part is, or the second thing that I've added is, you see these long handles now. So these ones are gonna be really nice and comfortable when you want to use it on your shoulder like this, as well as we have the short handles. I have it somewhere over there, but I had shown it the last time with short handles. Yeah, so we have that, and we have the shoulder strap as well, the crossbody strap. Let's take this one out for now, because I'm going to show you something on the inside of it, right? So this one goes over here, and we have our bag. And one of the things that people had asked, how would you clean it? So this is the way that you would easily flip the bag inside out and then just brush it with a hard bristle brush. Yeah. So by the way, this leather is just a prototype leather, so it's gonna be thicker and have a bit more shape than this. All right, so this is just a split leather, which is very good to work with when you're prototyping. So pretty simple. You unzip the bag and then you just hold the corner and you just pull it inside out. Quite simple, right? Then you fix the edges or the corner, and then you have it. Just like that. So, I don't know if you see, but the very first thing that we've added is there is a pocket over here, and the most requested item, or the feature that we had, which was put a clip so you can have the keys on it, right? So here's my key. Here's a clip, goes in safe and secure. Absolutely no problems, you're never gonna lose it. Pretty easy to just put your hand in and you always know where it is. Okay, very nice. And you can hang, it's a pretty big clip as well, so you could hang several keys or even your company ID card and things like that. Yeah, really good. Then we had the most carried item in the bag, which was phones and wallets, right? Those two. So we have my phone, which is right here. You have that, and we push it in, and it's a pretty generous pocket. So you see the phone is very nicely inside. And I have a smaller wallet, a trucker wallet that I usually use, and that one also goes really nicely inside it all the way. So it's really nice and secure. So when you carry, it's gonna be like that. Pretty good. Okay. not gonna go anywhere. That was really nice. And then the other feature that people asked for, or you guys asked for, was that you wanted to have a zipper pocket. So in the zipper pocket, maybe you want to put some valuables, or as I do, put some tech gear in it. So here's the zipper pocket. Comes with the same YKK zipper as the one that we have on the outside of the bag. Really smooth and comfortable. I have my power bank because I carry an iPhone and the battery never lasts. So that one goes there. And even with the power bank, I still want to carry my cables for the phone. So I have my charger again because I have an iPhone and the battery dies really fast. So that one goes in here comfortably. And there you have it. Nice and easy, super clean, super organized. And you have that pocket as well in place. Okay? And just like what I was mentioning, when you think that your bag is a little bit dirty or dusty, you have a hard bristle brush, not this one, and you just brush the bag and you get rid of all the dirt. Okay? If you have some soil or whatever, you can just brush it off like this and it'll kind of get really clean. So you don't need to baby the bag at all. Use it and abuse it. That's the philosophy. So I'll just take it out again and turn it inside out, or the right way out again, so you can see it. And then I think we have pretty much covered everything that I wanted to cover today, and the keys are right here, over here. And when you want to pull the bag back into shape, or the correct way, you just hold the corner and you just turn it around. Yeah, it's super easy, not so problematic at all. Just turn it around, just push it a little bit with your hands in the corner, both corners, and then you have it. And you have your zipper pocket in, and there you go. You have your bag with really nice internal organization. The two pockets over here, the key holder, and then on the other side, the zipper pocket. A really nice, big, generous zipper pocket that's going to give enough space to, carry all your valuables and essentials, basically. And again, it's a YKK zipper that comes with it. So one thing that is going to change in the design, like I said before, I have tried this with the crossbody strap, and the bag wraps around a bit too much like this. So it's a little too wide on top, so it's going to be 5 centimeters gone from the side. So it'll be like a little bit like this. Okay, so if you can imagine, I'm also watching it on the screen at the same time. So it'll be something like that. So it's a bit more square as a shape, and it will fit and fit nicely on the body and look really good with very little wrap. Then the tricky part, while I was constructing it on 2 of my heavy-duty industrial sewing machines, this part that you see over here was extremely tough to stitch, and it's too thick. It doesn't pass through my machine, and also it's a little bit scary because when I was stitching this part, the needle broke and I got hit just under my eye with the needle that flew off. And I was thinking, well, when you're making a production, you don't want to do and take that type of a risk. So I'm going to redo this design a little bit and not have it like this. It will probably be just a ring like that, a stitch that holds the ring in place. And then there'll be 2 circles if you think like that. So it just goes like this and like that, and there'll be 2 rivets on both sides of the stitch that goes inside. So that'll hold it in place really nicely. So it'll be a circle over here and a circle over there, and 2 rivets over here like this. That's the new design that I'm gonna probably try out a little bit. Okay. That was all that I wanted to share today. Thank you so much for all the feedback. I think it was absolutely fantastic that you've given me all the feedback. I had my sister-in-law, my wife, really trying this bag with the shoulder length. They're short, they carry it, and it doesn't touch the ground. So long handles have nailed the size correctly. The internal pocket organization, as you said, all leather and really nice heavy-duty construction. So that's going to last. And again, all of it is held by the Chicago screws, the handles as well as the internal organizers. So if ever something breaks, just unscrew this stuff and then you send it back to me. Yeah. Should we just do a quick replacement of the handle just so you can see how easy and fast it is? Let me just get the small handles if I can find them. I have it right here. So these are the 2 small handles that I have. Let's do just one of them. So quite easily you see there are 2 Chicago screws, one here and one here. So all you're going to do is just unscrew this Chicago screw. And just like that, you have a super nice short handle right here instead of the long handle. Okay, so long handle, short handle right here. All right, thank you very much. In the next one, let's take a look at the leathers that I'm going to be using for these bags. Take care. Bye.